It's fall. What's for dinner? Well, I have this little boneless pork roast. Look, it was only $3.16, but it's just for the two of us, so it's perfect. And I have it in my small crock pot that I'm going to put about a cup of water. And then let me grab that little pork roast. Now, it does have some fat on it, you'll see, but that's a lot of flavor. And this is what, pulled pork sandwiches are made out of, that type of thing. I had a little piece of onion. It was purple, left over from some salad, so I'm going to tuck that in there. Just a little extra flavor. And I'm going to use, instead of regular sauerkraut, I can't open it. Oh, it's open, but I think I can't pour it without a spoon. So give me a second. I'll be right back. I got to get a spoon. Okay, I'm back, and I poured it in there and rinsed out the jar. And it is red cabbage, which is, it kind of smells the same, but it has a little bit better of a flavor. I'm also going to add with my dark brown sugar. Now, I have a recipe for this if you ever run out, and it's very simple to make regular light or brown sugar. I'm grabbing a fork here so I can put just a little bit in there just to cut some of the sour. We like sauerkraut, but just this will cut it just a little bit in there. There we go. I'm just going to cook it on high and put the lid on, and we'll enjoy this later. I'm going to have, I think, spaghetti squash instead of mashed potatoes this time. But listen, if you want to learn how to make that brown sugar, look that recipe up. Enjoy.